Dear students, welcome to today's lecture. Today, we are going to discuss a very simple poem, a very simple story written by Premchand. And the title of the story is The Salt Inspector. Let's begin. The Salt Inspector, this story was basically written in Hindi and later on translated into English. The Hindi version has the title Namak Ka Daroga. Daroga means the police or let's say the inspector. Later on, the story Namak Ka Daroga, which was in Hindi, translated into English under the title The Salt Inspector. Right? So it is a short story by Prem Chand. You might have heard the name Prem Chand. Prem Chand is a very famous name in Hindi literature. Right? Prem Chand is famous for his novels and his short stories. The present story is about an inspector. And this inspector is a special type of inspector. And this inspector inspects the business of salt only. Right? The inspector in police station is quite different, right? But the inspector in our present story is has the duty to protect the salt business, right? What happens in the story is the story happens before independence, right? And in those days, the business of salt was totally controlled by the government. And if a person, if a businessman has some salt business, right? So he has to deposit some tax to the government. And when that tax is deposited by that businessman, then that businessman is allowed to have a salt business with others. But if that businessman fails to deposit the tax to the government, then that business would become an illegal business. So the salt inspector has the duty to protect this kind of illegal business, right? So that's the background of the. So the present story tells the story about an honest salt inspector who opposed, who rejected his voice against black marketing. Here, marketing is related to the salt business. This story is about the victory of religion over money. Here, religion means honesty, right? Here, religion means truth, right? So, in the present story, there is a clash, conflict between honesty and money. And who wins at the end? Honesty, sincerity, devotion. The present story depicts means shows and exemplifies. Exemplify means to prove with example. The ideal of human values. Human values like truth, खरे बोलने, sincerity, right? These human values are presented in the present story. Truthfulness, सत्यता, devotion, आपल्या कामाप्रती असलेली श्रद्धा, and honesty, इमानदारी, have been mentioned in the rare qualities of the world. Rare means very rare. रेअरचा अर्थ आहे दुर्मिळ. या क्वालिटीज कशा आहेत तर आज दुर्मिळ आहे. प्रत्येक माणसामध्ये आपल्याला दिसतं का ट्रुथफुलनेस, डिव्होशन, ऑनेस्टी तर नाही दिसत. सगळेजण कोणाच्या मागे वेडे झाले आहेत तर मनी, पैसा. आणि पैशासाठी फॉर मनी मॅन इज नाव रेडी टू किक ट्रुथफुलनेस, डिव्होशन अँड ऑनेस्टी. पैसा मिळवण्यासाठी गैरमार्ग माणूस अवलंबतो आणि ट्रुथफुलनेस, सत्यता, डिवोशन, ऑनेस्टी ह्या गोष्टी माणूस काय करतोय, दुर्लक्ष करतो आहे. म्हणून या गोष्टी कशा झाल्या, रेअर, अतिशय दुर्मिळ. आणि या स्टोरीमध्ये आपल्याला त्या ह्युमन व्हॅल्यूचं महत्व लेखक सांगतोय. Finally, it has been taught that even a dishonest owner is looking for an honest employee. Dishonest, opposite of honest. बेईमान मालक सुद्धा काय अपेक्षा करतो, की माझा नौकर हा कसा असला पाहिजे, ऑनेस्ट, ईमानदार असला पाहिजे. राईट. Yes, honesty is more important, more valuable than money. So that's the message of the present story. Right? Let's move forward. Let's move towards the characters. Right? The present story has 3 to 4 major characters, and out of these 3 characters are important. The first character is Munshi Vashindhar, right? Munshi, this is a very typical word used for a clerk, right? Munshi, a clerk. Munshi Vanshidhar is the name. This is the hero of our story, right? And he is a young man, he is married, and he has a very small family. In the family, he himself is there, one aged father, old father is there, and a wife is there, right? Just a family of 3 persons. And he is very young, right? Educated, and is in search of a job. He wanted a job very much, right? So this is our first character, Munshi Vanshidhar. The second character is old father, right? He is the old father of Vanshidhar. He was worried about the future of his son. He's very much worried, right? And the family was under a debt. Under a debt means a loan. कर्जाच्या ओझ्याखाली हे कुटुंब होतं, डोक्यावर कर्ज होतं. And how to pay the debt, that is the biggest question. आणि कर्ज कसं फेडायचं हा सवाल यांच्या पुढे उभा होता. Right? That's why the old father asks to search a job. Right? आणि वडील त्याला म्हणतात, वंशीधरला, बाबा रे, आराम खूप झाला, कुटुंबावर खूप कर्ज आहे, तू काय कर आता, काहीतरी एक जॉब, काहीतरी नोकरी धंदा कर तू आता. राईट. आणि हेही सांगतो, सर्च ए जॉब विथ ए फॅसिलिटी ऑफ ब्राइब और करप्शन. वंशीधर, तू अशी नोकरी पकड, त्या नोकरीमध्ये काय मिळालं पाहिजे, टेबला खालून काहीतरी मिळालं पाहिजे, भ्रष्टाचार करता आला पाहिजे. राईट. म्हणजेच एक्स्ट्रा मनी. सी, द फादर इज टीचिंग dishonesty to his son to earn more money. स्वतः वडील मुलाला चुकीचा मार्ग दाखवत आहे, राईट, बेईमानीचा मार्ग दाखवत आहे. आणि वडिलांचं म्हणणं काय आहे, अशी नोकरी कर की ज्यामध्ये यस भ्रष्टाचार करता येईल, लाच स्वीकारता येईल. या लाच, या भ्रष्टाचाराच्या पैशाने काय होणार आहे मग, राईट, त्यांचं आयुष्य अजूनही सुखकारक होईल, कर्ज फिटेल. राईट. That kind of a wrong guidance has been given by the old father to his son. The third and a very important character is Pandit Alopidin. Yes, Pandit Alopidin. And Pandit Alopidin is a very rich zamindar in that area. The most eminent means strong, powerful. most eminent zamindar of the area. He has trade of millions of rupees. Trade means business, right? So he is a very great businessman with a power of money, right? He is proud of his property. Everyone respects his wealth. Everyone, right? The whole village, the whole city respects Pandit Alopuddin. And what Pandit Alopuddin thinks, he thinks that he can buy everything. So Alopuddin is of the view that with the power of money, he can buy anything in this world. पंडित अलोपीदीन जो अतिशय श्रीमंत जमीनदार आहे, राईट, त्याचं काय म्हणणं आहे की पैशाच्या जोरावर आपण काहीही विकत घेऊ शकतो, असा गर्व त्याला झालेला आहे, राईट. आणि पैशाचा मास त्याला आलेला आहे एक प्रकारे, राईट. सो दीज आर द थ्री कॅरेक्टर्स, राईट. So after the discussion of the characters, let's move towards the main story, right? As I told you earlier that the story is pre-independence, so before independence, right? A new salt department was created, a salt department, right? Upper earning in the department was very high. And what is the duty of the salt department? Yes, as I told you that to control the illegal salt business is the duty of this department. And what happens? There is a great scope for corruption. So earning was there, right? Very high earning, high corruption was there, right? So all the people were keen means interested to work in this department. And what is the reason? Again, earning. आणि अतिशय भ्रष्टाचारी डिपार्टमेंट आहे. त्याचं काम काय? की आजूबाजूला जो मिठाचा व्यापार चालतो इलिगल, त्याच्यावर नजर ठेवणं, राईट. जो कोणी असा गैरकारभारी व्यापार करत असेल त्याकडून दंड वसूल करणं, त्याला जेलमध्ये टाकणं, अशा प्रकारची कामं या सॉल्ट डिपार्टमेंटची आहेत, राईट. मग असे डिपार्टमेंट असल्यामुळे तिथे भ्रष्टाचाराला खूप खूप काय वाव आहे. म्हणून त्या गावातील लोक, शहरातील लोक त्या डिपार्टमेंट मध्ये नोकरी मिळवण्यासाठी अतिशय कीन म्हणजे काय उत्सुक आहे. इन दोज टाइम्स पर्शियन वॉज डॉमिनेटेड. पर्शियन मीन्स a language, Persian language. So in that period, Persian language learning was very important, right? And our hero had the knowledge of Persian language, right? So Munshi Vansidhar also studied Persian and set out in search of employment. So Vansidhar wanted a job, very urgent, right? So the financial condition of his house was poor. So the family is under a heavy debt, heavy loan. His father explained him a lot while leaving the house. The essence means brothers, essence of which was to do such a job which would earn high and take bribe, lakhs, भ्रष्टाचार. So the father asks the son to accept the bribe. भ्रष्टाचार कर बाबा, पैसा घ्या, like that. So what happens? Vansidhar luckily gets a job of an inspector in the salt department, right? So he is very lucky. He gets a job of salt inspector in the salt department, right? And the salary was quite nice, right? With upper earning also. But Vansidhar was not interested to accept the bribe. He was not interested in corruption because he was very honest and sincere, right? And the father was very happy that Vanshidhar got a job, right? So Munshi Vanshidhar, whose behavior is quite honest, right? Sweet tongue, गोड बोलणारा, right? Very efficient, कर्तबगार, आणि त्याच्या अशा वागण्यामुळे त्याने काय केलं म्हणजे पूर्ण ऑफिस मध्ये सगळे लोक काय केले कॅप्टिव्हेटेड आपल्याकडे आकर्षित केले किती इमानदार माणूस आहे किती इमानदाराने काम करतो आहे त्याचं वागणं बोलणं किती छान आहे अशा पद्धतीने सो मुंशी बंसीधर became the hero in that department, right? He never accepted any bribe. He was not interested to be in corruption, right? What happens one night during winter, हिवाळा सुरू आहे, Bansidhar was sleeping in his office, right? A mile before his office was the Jamuna river. ऑफिसच्या जवळच जमुना नावाची रिव्हर आहे गंगा जमुना आपण जशी म्हणतो लाईक दॅट जमुना ऑन विच द ब्रिज ऑफ बोट्स वॉज बिल्ट ऑन दॅट रिव्हर देयर वॉज अ ब्रिज एक पूल आहे त्या नदीवर Bansidhar got his gun, right? Boats was built. There was a sound. See, Bansidhar is sleeping. Right? There was a sound of carts. Do you know carts? So Vansidhar got his gun in his pocket and moved there on a horse on the bridge. So what was going there? He wanted to see, right? So he just went on the bridge. What happens? Bansidhar saw a long line of carts. A line of cart was there. And the carts were crossing the bridge. Crossing the bridge. Bansidhar asked, now he was the inspector. So Bansidhar asked whose cart it was. Right. So Bansidhar starts his inquiry. The cars had some luggages, loading. See, loading. Some goods were there. त्या मालगाडीवर काहीतरी माल आहे, काहीतरी वस्तू आहे. Now Bansidhar started his investigation. Bansidhar asked about the owner of these cars. गाड्यांचा मालक कोण आहे गाड्यांमध्ये कोणता माल भरला आहे that kind of inquiry, right? And Munshi Bansidhar got the information that whose cart were this? It was of Pandit Alopiddin. कोणाच्या मग पंडित अलोपीदीन, the powerful and wealthy zamindar, landlord. Bansidhar knew that Pandit Alopiddin was the most eminent, powerful zamindar of the area. He got the answer from one cart owner that the carts were going to Kanpur. So Bansidhar guessed that this was a part of a business, right? But why this business is happening in the night? And these cars are illegally going towards Kanpur city without any permission. And when Bansidhar asked about the goods, mal, loaded in the carts, he did not get any answer. So Bansidhar asked the cart drivers, बैलगाडीवाला, about the goods loaded in the car, but the Bailgadiwala, the cart driver, did not answer Vanshidhar. So Vanshidhar guessed that there must be some secret, some problem must be there, right? So Vanshidhar started inspecting the cars. He wanted to see what was there, right? And he came close to the car and saw that all the cars are full of the bags. Bags means pote. And these bags were full of salt, and salt of millions of rupees, right? And this was an illegal business without the permission of the government. The businessman had not deposited the tax, right? So it is a black business. वंशीधरला काय कळतं मग त्या प्रत्येक बैलगाड्यावर काय आहे तर पोती ठेवलेली आहेत. त्या प्रत्येक पोतीमध्ये काय आहे तर मीठ आहे, सॉल्ट, आणि याची किंमत काय आहे तर हजारो लाखो रुपये किंमत आहे याची. पण काय आहे त्याच्या मालकाने कोणतीही परवानगी घेतलेली नाहीये, कोणताही टॅक्स भरलेला नाहीये. सो दिस वॉज an illegal business, right? So when Vanshidhar did an investigation, it was found that there were sacks of salt, piles in the cars. Piles म्हणजे काय, ढिगारे, ढिगाराची ढिगारे भरलेले आहे त्या कार्स मध्ये मिठाची. Now what would happen? Vanshidhar stopped the vehicles, the cars. Vanshidhar ordered all the car drivers to stop, right? And when Panditji came to know about this, right, when Panditji knew that Vanshidhar had captured all the cars, captured means in arrest, वंशीधरने सगळं माल जप्त करून टाकलेला आहे असं त्याला कळतं, तेव्हा पंडितजी धावत पळत पुढे त्या बग्गी मधून येतो. He came to meet Vanshidhar in a chariot. Chariot म्हणजे काय, बग्गी, रथ म्हणतो आपण त्याला, राईट, घोडा गाडी, chariot. Panditji was sure that he could easily influence the salt inspector as he used to others. हे काय आहे, रोजचं आहे. एखादा सॉल्ट इन्स्पेक्टर असेल आणि पैशांसाठी काय केलं असेल, माझा माल अडवला असेल, आता जातो पैसे फेकतो आणि माझा माल सोडवून घेतो, अशा पद्धतीचा कॉन्फिडन्स हा कोणाला आहे तर पंडितजीला. So he was sure that he could easily buy the honesty of the salt inspector. Why? Because he believed in the power of money. So he thought that he could buy anything in the world with the power of money. जगात तो काही विकत घेऊ शकतो, कारण काय आहे त्याच्याकडे, कसली शक्ती आहे तर पैशाची शक्ती आहे. आणि ह्या इन्स्पेक्टरला सुद्धा मी विकत घेऊन टाकेल, जसं मी अदर्स दुसऱ्यांना विकत घेतो त्या पद्धतीने, राईट. लेट्स सी व्हाट हॅपन्स नेक्स्ट. Now there is a communication between Panditji and Vanshidhar. Panditji requests Vanshidhar to release his cars, and in return he offered a bribe to Vanshidhar, right? The salt inspector replied that this trade, this business is against the law and he had to pay the fine. Right? Panditji tried to bribe Vanshidhar. Vanshidharला लाच देण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. कशाला मला दंड भरायला लावता साहेब, माझा माल सोडा, एक चिरीमिरी घेऊन टाका, जाऊ द्या, अशा पद्धतीने दरवेळी आता तसंच करत होता. But now there is Vanshidhar who is very honest, right? Vanshidhar, and asked him to leave the vehicles. But Vansidhar stood firm. The inspector ordered Panditji to be arrested. Right? And this happened for the first time in the life of Panditji. When Panditji offered a bribe to Vansidhar, Vansidhar was angry, right? And he asked the constable to arrest Panditji. And Panditji was so much shocked and surprised, he fainted, right? Fainted, F-A-R-N-T-E-D. Fainted means चक्कर में खाली पड़ने, right? For the first time, Panditji got this kind of reply from a salt inspector. Before this, he used to buy the honesty of the salt inspector very easily, but today he just had a very honest officer in front of Panditji. आतापर्यंत काय केलं पंडितजीने? कोणताही इन्स्पेक्टर आला की त्याला तो विकत घेऊन टाकायचा, 2-4 पैसे देऊन माल तो सोडवून घ्यायचा. पण ह्यावेळी काय झालं? वंशीधर आहे ते अतिशय इमानदार आहे. वंशीधरला त्याने लाच देण्याचा प्रयत्न केला. वंशीधर चिडला आणि सरळ त्याला अरेस्ट करा असा आदेश दिला. पंडितजीला अतिशय धक्का बसला आणि पंडितजी फेंटेड, F-A-R-N-T-E-D, त्याला चक्कर आली, पंडितजी बेशुद्ध पडले, राईट? आणि का? बेशुद्ध पडण्याच्या अगोदरच पंडितजी ऑल्सो इन्क्रीज द ब्राईब. अजून अमाऊंट वाढवली पंडितजीने. इतके नाही घेत बाबा, इतके घे, अजून घे, पण सोड माझा माल. बट वंशीधर वॉज फर्म, राईट? कसा होता? फर्म, निश्चित होता, राईट? इमानदार आहे. So Panditji was arrested. So this happened for the first time in his life. See, he is arrested and he was taken to the court. When Panditji was arrested, this news was spread in the whole city, and everyone just started gossiping about Panditji and Vansidhar. Right? So Panditji was handcuffed. Handcuffed म्हणजे काय? बेड्या घालणे, handcuffed. And now Panditji was brought to the court. His neck was bowed. Neck म्हणजे मान. Bow means खाली वाकणे. पंडितजीची मान कशी होती? शर्मेने खाली वाकलेली होती. तर लाज वाटत होती. यार पूर्ण गावासमोर तुम्हाला अरेस्ट केलं, तर मला कोर्टात घेऊन चालला. आयुष्यामध्ये पहिल्यांदा असं घडतंय. बोल्ड विथ गिल्ट. गिल्ट म्हणजे काय? अपराधीपणासारखं वाटलं त्याला, राईट? सी व्हॉट हॅपन्स इन द कोर्ट. Everyone was amazed how Panditji got caught in the law. Amazed means आश्चर्य. Everything was surprised. Everyone was surprised that Panditji could buy each and everything in the whole world with money. So how Panditji got caught in the law? कसं काय सापडला हा बरं कायद्याच्या कचाट्यामध्ये? पैशाने तर हा सगळं काम करून टाकतो, यावेळी कसं काय झालं, राईट? असा प्रचार प्रसार आता सगळेजण करू लागले, गॉसिप करू लागले, चॅटिंग करू लागले. So with the power of money, Panditji did what? He bought all the lawyers and witnesses. Witness, साक्षीदार. काय केलं मग पंडितजीने? पैसा फेकला आणि सगळे वकील, चांगले चांगले वकील आणि साक्षीदारांना त्याने काय केलं? विकत घेऊन टाकलं. पैसे देऊन केले त्यांना. कोर्टामध्ये माझ्याकडून बोलायचं, राईट? Panditji bought all of them, right? Vansidhar had only the force of truth and honesty. So Vansidhar was alone in the court, who was full of truthfulness and honesty. पूर्ण कोर्टामध्ये वंशीधर असा एकमेव माणूस जो खरं बोलत आहे, जो इमानदार आहे. बाकी सगळे वकील आणि साक्षीदाराने त्याने काय केलं? विकत घेऊन टाकलं. आता काय होतं पुढे मग? वंशीधर कोण बोलणारा कोणीही नाही. So there was a partiality. Partiality म्हणजे काय? Partiality, right? Justice नाही. Partiality म्हणजे काय? Justice नाही. Partiality in the court for justice. The trial ended immediately. Trial means case. केस लगेच संपली. संपली म्हणजेच काय? कोणताही पुरावा नाही, कोणताही साक्षीदार नाही. सगळे साक्षीदार कोणी विकत घेतले आहे तर पंडितजीने. So all the witnesses spoke on the side of पंडितजी. सगळे साक्षीदार कोणाकडून बोलले मग? पंडितजी कोण बोलले? Nobody spoke on the side of वंशीधर. So वंशीधर was alone. वंशीधर कडून कोणीही बोललं नाही, कोणताच साक्षीदार नाही. That's why the case ended, right? So Pandit Alauddin was released for lack of evidence or proof. No proof was there. So the court expressed sorrow over Vansidhar's behavior of arrogance and thoughtfulness. So the court scolded Vansidhar. कोर्टाने काय केलं? स्कोल्ड. वंशीधरचीच खरडपट्टी करून टाकली. वंशीधरला झाकून टाकलं. त्याच्या खोट्या केसेस का करतोस तू? तुझ्याकडे पुरावा नाही, राईट? अशा पद्धतीने. सो पंडित अलाउद्दीन वॉज रिलीज्ड. अलाउद्दीनला सोडून देण्यात आलं, राईट? बाइज्जत बरे रिहा किया जाता है, अशा पद्धतीने. सो पंडित अलाउद्दीन केम आउट विथ स्माइल. नाउ पंडितजी स्टार्टेड स्माइलिंग. आता इथे कोणाचा इन्सल्ट झालाय तर वंशीधर, राईट? वंशीधर हॅज टू एंड्युअर सार्कॅझम. सार्कॅझम म्हणजे काय? टोमणे. लोक टोमणे मारायला लागला, काय इन्स्पेक्टर आहे, अशा खोट्या केसेस सांगतो, राईट? अँड आउट ऑफ द कोर्ट बाय द पब्लिक. कोर्टामध्ये सगळे त्याला हसले, कोर्टाच्या बाहेरही सगळे त्याला हसले, राईट? बिचारा वंशीधर, इमानदारीचं असं फळ मिळालं. What happens? The result. What happens after? Some days he got a letter of suspension and he was removed from his job. वंशीधरला त्याच्या नोकरीवरून काढून टाकण्यात आलं. आणि काम कोणी केलेलं आहे तर येस, जमीनदाराने केलं आहे. त्यांनी पैसा वापरून, त्याची पॉवर वापरून वंशीधरला त्या नोकरीवरून काढून टाकलं. नाउ वंशीधर इज जॉबलेस, राईट? ही वॉज व्हेरी sorrowful. See, wife is not speaking to, wife was not speaking to him. Father scolded him. बायको बोलत नाही, बापाने झाकून टाकलं, राईट? अशा पद्धतीने, राईट? आता जॉबलेस झालेला आहे. And what happens? We are going towards the ending of the story. The 1 week passed. After